Hello, teacher. Talking about our project. 1. What is our project about? Our project is Kayak Bestiary. Each of the students creates a best from a wild aquatic, terrestrial, or aerial animal that caught our attention. We made some modifications and add natural characteristics. 2. What section does our chapter have? We carry out a sheep in order to HB or global. 1. Researched the animal that I like the most. 2. I described my magic best. 3. We created the habitat of our best. 4. I described the daily routine of my best, morning, afternoon, and night. And 5. I describe what my best likes to eat and drink. 3. What do you like the most about or drunk? There were many things that I like since every time I wrote about my best. My imagination glows fly, but where I was most excited was when I described my best science. It has the power to put unique, fantastic, interesting characteristics which perhaps are just in my imagination, but thanks to that exercise, I was able to see it in words. 4. Do you like the process of being an author? Hi. Yes, because I can create what I want. I have no limits. My imagination flies. Greeting and creative creatures never seen before. Fantastic words and magical food. Greeting is freedom. And 5. What did you learn with the project? Being more creative, realizing that my imagination has no limits. I learned how to make meaningful paragraphs. Thank you for your attention.